Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to zoom in on a video using Canva. If you want to highlight a specific part of your video or create a smooth zoom effect, we will walk you through it step by step. Now let's get started. On your Canva video editing dashboard, open the video you want to edit. For example, we want to zoom in on this part. All you need to do is click the point where you want the zoom to start. Then, click this button, the split button. Next, find the point where you want the zoom to end. Let's say we want it to end here. Click the split button again. Now you have your selected section. Click on that clip. Then, select the video and click the crop tool. From here, adjust the size as needed so it's positioned exactly the way you want. When you're happy with it, click Done. Now if you play the video, you will see the zoom effect in action. It zooms in on that section and then zooms back out. That's all there is to it. Now you can make your videos more engaging and draw attention to the details that matter.